In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design a YouTube intro on Canva. We'll build a clean, branded intro that's quick to make and easy to reuse. Start by opening Canva and clicking Create a Design. In the search bar, type YouTube intro or video. Choose the 1920 by 1080 option. So you are working in the correct 16:9 format for YouTube. You can begin with a ready-made template or a blank canvas. Templates are great for speed and inspiration. Just pick one that matches your channel's vibe. If you prefer full control, choose a blank canvas to design from scratch. Either way, keep your layout simple and focused, since your intro should be short and instantly recognizable. Now customize the elements. Add your channel name as the main headline and consider a short tagline if you use one regularly. Choose fonts that are legible on both mobile and desktop. High contrast color combinations like light text on a dark background help readability. Use your brand colors to build consistency and align elements neatly so nothing looks off. Center. A minimal background or a subtle texture can add polish without distracting from your name. Next, bring in your branding. Upload your logo and any personal images you plan to feature. Then drag and drop them into the canvas. Keep the logo clear and at a comfortable size large enough to be noticed, but not so big that it crowds the frame. If you have multiple versions of your logo, pick the one that contrasts best with your background. Add motion to make the intro feel alive. Click any element and select Animate. Simple effects like fade, pop, or rise work well and look professional. Keep animations consistent across elements so the movement feels cohesive. A little motion goes a long way. Avoid overloading every item with different effects. Set the timing using the timeline editor at the bottom. Aim for 5 to 10 seconds total. Trim or extend clips so your text is on screen long enough to read, and so the pace matches your brand's energy. Short and punchy often works best. For audio, add music from Canva's library or upload your own in the Upload section. Choose a track that fits your style and won't overpower the visuals. Adjust volume to keep it comfortable and set the starting point so the beat hits with your first animation. If available, add a short fade in and fade out for a smooth sound. When you are happy, click Share, then Download and select MP4 video. Give it one final preview, then export. Thanks for watching.